Do you by chance own one of these? Oh, wait a minute. Let me be specific. I'm talking about that thing right there. It's a Firestick. Firestick. Okay. Do you own a Firestick? Well, I could show you real quick how to install things to this thing with whatever. So let me show you how to do that. Go to the App Store. You're going to go search, and with your wireless keyboard, because I know you have one attached, right, you nerd? You're going to start typing in wireless, and you're going to go to wireless file transfer, and then you're going to download that. I already have it installed, so you don't have to worry about seeing that installed. Start wireless file transfer. You see that number right there where it says 192.168.137.54.8080? Well, colon 8080. You're going to type that in on your browser, whatever browser that you get the point. Let's go ahead and go over here. So let's say, for instance, you want to get Classic Uno. Go to whatever APK, and you're going to click like the first one, and it's going to pull up. You're going to click this, and then it's going to go, hey, it's going to download immediately. You're going to download it, and I already did. So now I'm going to show you how this works really easily. We're going to go to here. You're going to go to right here. You're going to click on that. You're going to click this. You're going to click upload. There we go. File received. We're going to go to the next part. We're going to go to open. It's going to start it. App is installed. You're going to go ahead and open it because that's what you want to do, right? Now, unfortunately, this is not going to work. So obviously, you're a giant nerd, right? I'm hoping you are. So what you're going to do real quick is you're going to go ahead and hook up your mouse and keyboard, and you're going to obviously play as a guest, and we're going to do versus computer for just a split second so you see how this works. And thus, there you go. You have it. Next video, I'll show you how to hook up a mouse and keyboard to this.